We're going to open up the piano JPEG, and this is a picture taken in a dark room on purpose. This is my piano, and I wanted to kind of demonstrate how to work with photos that are just too dark, that were taken without enough light, which can be challenging. And as a graphic designer, you're going to work with so many photos that are sent to you that were not taken with the proper lighting. So let's go ahead and unlock this layer. Let's go ahead and right click. Let's just go ahead and make it a smart object for right now. And let's just go and do a quick sharpen, filter, sharpen. Went ahead and sharpened it. So when we're dealing with a photo like this, sometimes when it's pretty much black and white, almost, there's pretty much no color, I like to go ahead and switch it to a pure black and white because there's still yellowness. There's yellowness to this white, and there's other little colors in here, and it kind of makes it look more dirty. So what I want to do is I want to do a quick black and white adjustment. And so you can kind of see before had some yellow to the white keys, and then after. Just quick. And then I want to go to exposure. So exposure is really good with black and white photography. It makes a big difference. So let's increase the brightness just a little bit. You can see how you can quickly overdo it. So just kind of a little brightness. And gamma correction. I want to add to the gamma correction. So I'm bringing out some of those midtones. So all those blacks, all those super dark areas, I'm going to move it and add to the gamma correction. You can see how it brings some of that out, makes it brighter. You can also go to levels and see on this levels right here. So this is all of your darker pixels and your whiter pixels. So there's a big spike right here in your lightest pixels, and that's probably from the white keys. And then you have a big spike right here from all the dark keys and this black section up here. So if I wanted to click and hold on the black point and make the darker, I can do that, but that washes out all the details of the piano. Or I can take some of the lighter colors and move it to the left, which I think has the best impact here because I think it's too dark to begin with. It wasn't taken in a really good, well-lit environment. So let's make some of those whiter pixels lighter, just like that. Not too much, just a little bit. We could always go to brightness and contrast and just do a general, this is kind of your quick, easy way to make something darker or lighter or have more contrast. It's kind of your quick cheat, I guess you could say. Instead of getting all into levels, this is kind of a way to do it a lot quicker, but you don't have as much control. But if you just wanted a quick brighten or a quick contrast, you could do that as well. So let's group these together into a folder and toggle it on and off. So that's before, had kind of a yellowish hue to the keys, and then after. So obviously brighter. I feel like I can use this photo and it doesn't look like it was taken in a basement. It kind of looks like it was taken in a little bit more of a professional lighted scenario.